Alright, because I forgot to upload something last Saturday, I figured I'd upload something today and maybe do like a kind of a double Screamin Saturdays thing. I don't know, but anyway, I've updated my toolbox. It's the same old box, Home Depot Homer box. Opening up, it's not the same as it was. Flashlight, string winder, still got a string winder. This time I have a microphone because I have a microphone because I'm actually not playing bass in a band anymore. My role got changed to lead vocals, and the mic that they have is a real piece of shit. So I'm using this one. It's pretty much brand new. Let's see what else I got in here. Some Clayton heavy gauge Pick of Destiny replicas. Same old pick tin. Earplugs. AA batteries. 1/4-inch adapter. 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, actually, for headphones. Same old 9-volt battery. I still haven't used it yet. Same old 9-volt battery. 3 AAAs. Some more Allen wrenches. This one's a really beaten up one I found on a road in Utah while I was on an RV trip with my family. Keys. I don't know why the hell I have these. I almost never use these. So, yeah. Needle nose pliers with a little cutter thingamajiggy in it. Wrench right here. Tape measure, nail clipper with file so I can shape my nails. Because whenever I play guitar or bass and I want like dexterity more so than the pick would offer, I would use my nails. But anyway, I have a nail clipper in there and it comes with a file, so screwdriver, more screwdrivers, and let's see what's in the bottom. Deodorant. That's a necessity for the metal guys. A voice changer. I don't exactly know why the fucking hell I have this.
This is just so friggin' weird. I know, it sounds like... yeah. It sounds weird, let's just leave it at that. It has like lots of crazy cool sounds. Yeah, I can pitch shift it, I can modulate it, I can do whatever the fucking hell I want with it, so... yeah.
And that's my little voice changer, bullhorn, megaphone thing. I would just hold the mic up to it like this. And, like, just scream into that. Scream into the voice changer. Power brick. Still have the same power brick. IEC power cable, like amp power cable, whatever. Patch cables. That red thing right there is a box of a crap ton of Allen wrenches. I can never have enough Allen wrenches. Orange duct tape, USB wall adapter, micro USB cord, lightning cable, spare pair of drumsticks, if you can see it back here. I have a spare pair of drumsticks here. The drummer's gonna love me for that. Drummer's also gonna love me for having a T key on hand, like one of those high tension marching drum keys. I don't know why the hell this thing's on there, but yeah. 4 9-volt batteries still in the packaging. 2 AA's also still in the packaging with a twisty tie on it. This is a multi-effects pedal box, but inside it I have my chorus pedal, a Behringer UC200. It never lets me down. That's just my spare effects pedal. iPad charging cable, instrument cable. I still need to get a speaker cable. Yeah, but I don't really need a speaker cable at the moment because I don't have a half stack or a full stack yet. I just have combo amps so far. Strings for my Squier Bass 6. That 84 is not thick enough. So yeah, I switched it out with a much thicker gauge. I think I'm using a 100 right now instead of this 84. But anyway, the top 5 strings are great. It's just the 84 it's shit. Let's just leave it at that. Another set of guitar strings down there. These are great for drop A, like 13 through 56, jazz medium gauge. They're great for down tuning. Let's see what else I have in here. Crowbar from the Man Crates set thing. The only reason I have that is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it that well, but yeah, I have a beard. A pretty big one at that, too. Well, at least my parents think it's big. I have the biggest beard in my family, so yeah. And this was supposed to pry open the box that comes with all the beard care stuff that I don't give a flying fuck for. So yeah. I can also use it to like grab onto the ball ends of strings that are in a stop tail piece or something and just like pull it out like that. It's like a persuasion tool. Yeah. So yeah, that's my toolbox. Yeah. And I'm just bored, I'm tired, I don't know what to do. So like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it. I don't care if you dislike it or not. It's your opinion, which you're entitled to. Subscribe and just like if you really want to like comment on the video or on any of my videos, just leave me a comment, all right? Yeah, that'd be great. So yeah, that's my toolbox. Thanks for watching. Stay metal.